we can plug in our numbers. The change in energy is 950 joules. The time period was 5 seconds. And if you want to stop it here and try it on your calculator and see if you get the same thing, go ahead and do that. If you did it correctly, you should get 190 watts. That should be step 3, but oh well. Okay, so 190 watts of power. Now that we've done this, I want to tell you about another way power can be measured, because it's kind of fun and you're going to be using it in your lab on Friday, because it is kind of fun. So here's what it is. Another unit for power. Another unit for power is one that's used mainly with engines and motors, and that is the horsepower. Now, where do you think the term horsepower originated? By the way, notice we use a little h and a little p for horsepower, okay? And it is a unit. It goes at the end of the measurement. Now, yes, if you were thinking that horsepower basically came from the time when we had horses pulling our wagons and plowing our fields and doing our work for us, then you're right. That's where the term horsepower originated. Now, obviously, however, today, horses cannot all do the same amount of work in the same time because there's different breeds and sizes of horses. So the horsepower had to be standardized for our use today. And 1 horsepower today, here's the equivalency, is equal to 746 watts. Okay, now I think you're going to see a video where it says 750 or something, or maybe not. I don't remember if there was a video that said that or not, but sometimes they use 750. I don't like to do that. So in any case, if you have 746 watts of power being generated, that's equivalent to what we call 1 horsepower today. So now, since you move the sofa across the floor, how much horsepower did you generate doing that? So what we're going to do is we're going to take our power, 190 watts of it, and we're going to divide it into chunks of 746. Obviously, it's not going to even be a full chunk because we only have 190 watts, not 746. So if you put it in your calculator and divide, you find out that when you push that sofa across the floor in 5 seconds, you generated 1/4 horsepower. And that's pretty cool, huh? I think so anyway. Okay, so that's the end of the notes. And tomorrow, you're going to practice calculating some power. It's pretty easy, guys. You should know by now how to use the triangle. And so all you have to do is identify your given information, see what you're trying to find, see what you need to do, and write it out. Remember, to get full credit for your assignment, you must show your work. Okay? All right, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.